So in this video, we will see how extensions can be used to help in coding in VS Code. So VS Code is open here. So when I click on the three dots here, I get to see the extensions which I installed. So I've got ES7, React Redux, React Native Snippets, version 4.4.3 is installed. This will help me while writing the React application. Then I have got Simple Express Snippets, version 1.1.0. The version doesn't matter. This extension is by REX, and the third one is ThunderClient, which is used to test the APIs. Next, I'll show how to create a Simple Express server. So I create an Express app, and I need to name the folder E1, and this is on the D drive. So let's go to the folder, and on the D drive I have Express apps, a folder. Inside that I will create the folder E1. Now this will hold my Express server. So I'll open this folder in VS Code. So I should go to the D drive, and in the D drive I open E1 folder. So next I go to the terminal, and on the terminal I type the command npm init. So this command creates the package.json file, which is the configuration file of the application. So we can see the package.json file here. Okay, it is having the details about the application. I'll install the Express package. So npm install Express. Now this will install the Express package in my folder, E1 folder. So I have the node modules folder. The installation is still going on, and in the node modules folder we have the Express folder. Okay, the Express package has been installed in my E1 application. And next, as I have the packages which are required to create my Express server already installed, I'll create my server. The name of the file which will be my server is s1.js. So now I have already installed the extensions which help me to make my Express server. So I type ESS. Now this is using the snippet. So I get some code generated here. The first line is importing the Express package. Then the Express function returns app, which is my server object. And then the last line here, okay, the last three lines, I have got the app object. Its listen method is listening to request from the browsers on the port 3000. I'll just change it to 5000 as 3000 is being used by React. So okay, that's it. So the server is okay. Now I need to create routes. So okay, I just type ESGR. Now this creates a route. Okay, now this is a route created, and I make changes to the URL /API/players. Okay, and I take help of a JSON array which I have already typed. So I paste it here. Okay, so I have the file in which I have pasted the JSON array, which has got names of some details of some players, and what I want this API to do is it should return a JSON okay, on the browser whenever this API is requested, and which the JSON which has the details of the players. So the implementation of this API is the arrow function here. Okay, so the arrow function has got request and response as the parameters. So I use the response object. Okay, the response object, it has a method called JSON, and I write the name of the array here. The name of the array is, I'll just check it first, it is players or player, it is players. Okay, the name of the array. So I write that here. Okay, so the response I have written here is the second parameter of the arrow function. The arrow function which is implementing the API/API/player. So that's it. We are done. Okay, our server is listening on the port 5000. So I execute the server by typing node and the name of the file, which is s1.js. So the server is listening on the port 5000. That is the console statement, which is because of this line. And now I go to the browser and okay, I open the HTTP request. I make the HTTP request from the browser. So in the address bar, I type HTTP. Okay. The name of my server is localhost. Localhost. It's running on the port 5000. Okay. I think I wrote 50,000 there. 5000 /API/players. So what is the API? Sorry, it is player, not players. Okay, so I get the output, a JSON object. It's a JSON array which has got the details, which is a response corresponding to the HTTP request which I typed in the browser window, in the browser's address bar. Okay, I can do the same thing by typing this inside VS Code. Now, if I use the Thunder client, okay, in Thunder client I can create a new request, and in the new request, which is a GET request, okay, I can type the HTTP request and send it to the server, and I get the response, which is status 2000 okay, and then I have the response shown here, and I'll have to make some space to see the response. Okay, so this is the JSON array which is sent in the response, okay, which has the details. Okay, now going back to the code, we are actually sending as a response the players array, which is declared on my server. Okay, so I have got only one route here. That's it.